In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up your desktop by hiding all those desktop icons that may be cluttering your view. A clear desktop not only looks pleasing, but it also helps improve your computer's performance, as it reduces the amount your system has to load every time you start up. So let's dive in. We'll start by going to your desktop. Feel free to minimize any open windows or applications to reveal your current desktop layout. Once you have a clear view of it, it's time to get hands-on. Simply perform a right-click anywhere on your desktop background. A menu will pop up, offering you several different options related to how your desktop looks and operates. From the menu, locate and select the View option. Hover your mouse over it and you'll see a secondary pop-up menu with a few more choices related to your desktop's arrangement and style. These are pretty handy for customizing your workspace to just how you like it. Now, in this secondary menu, you'll notice an option that says Show Desktop Icons. If you take a close look, you might see a little check mark next to it indicating that it's currently enabled. What we're going to do is uncheck this option. Carefully move your mouse over and click on Show Desktop Icons, and voila! Watch as all those desktop icons seemingly disappear, leaving behind a clean and pristine desktop. But don't worry, this action has just hidden your icons. It hasn't removed or deleted them. So all your files and shortcuts are still there, just tucked away until you need them again. And there you have it. You've successfully tidied up your desktop, giving your computer screen a new, clean canvas. If at any point you want to restore those icons, just follow the exact same steps. Click on the desktop, right-click, go to View, then reselect Show Desktop Icons, and everything will reappear just as you left it. It's surprising how such a simple adjustment can refresh your digital environment. A decluttered desktop not only boosts your productivity by eliminating distractions, but it might also give your computer a little performance boost by freeing up some much-needed memory resources. Plus, it's always nice to have that clean workspace look whenever you power up your device. That brings us to the end of today's guide. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Remember, a cleaner desktop can lead to a clearer mind and a more efficient workday. Thanks for tuning in and happy computing.